Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an iPhone 14 Pro Max with a broken display. It's not really that broken, but it also needs a new battery. So let's get to it. So this iPhone 14 still works, the touchscreen works, cameras, everything is fully functional, but the back is cracked and there's been some attempts to replace the display, and this is not the right way to replace the display, unfortunately. And this one is full of debris inside. David is looking at the battery and he's worried because the battery is already contaminated and then somehow scratched up. And later on, when we open this up, we will clean up the internal components, and we have shut the phone down. This is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, quite a beefy device. You have an A16 chip right there, very fast chip from Apple. We are gonna lift the display up at a 90-degree angle. It's not even leaning on our special tin right there, but it's holding on a 90-degree angle. We'll remove the screws. These are very tiny screws. You have to track the sizing because we have removed the screws on the lightning port. Those are the long screws, and these ones use some, I think, the triangle screws. You have the pentalobe and then you have the tri-format screws. You can see there's some debris inside. I think those are gravel and those are bad signs. So we have removed the front display, and in the old display we will remove this very thin component. I believe this is for the Face ID. I'm not really sure, but the new display doesn't have this component, so we need to transfer it. The iPhone 11 tend to have this very thick component, but this one is just a film, which is kind of sketchy when you remove it. So for DIY enthusiasts, this will be a very challenging part because you can see there, it's easy to snap those flex cables, and we'll transfer it to the replacement display. We'll use the adhesive strips came with it. Very tiny screws. You can see there David is struggling, and David is the best technician that I've known, and without the proper screwdrivers, magnetic screwdrivers, and the focus and experience of putting these screws back, and you'll lose patience really quickly. And the display is off. It's now prepped. The new display is ready to be installed, and we will focus our attention now to the battery. This is a stock battery, but we don't have the pull tabs for the adhesive strips, so we'll remove that in a very unconventional way. It's not really recommended by Apple, but this is a safe way to detach the battery. You have very strong adhesive. The battery is already wrinkled. I don't know what happened to the battery. Debris underneath the battery also. You have dust, so David is cleaning it up, removing some dust and gravel. And we have our aftermarket battery. This is still quality battery, and it will still work with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this is not the OEM, but it will do just fine, trust me. So we have the crazy battery installed, and then we'll attach the front display. After this one, the back cover will not be replaced. It's still gonna be broken, but there's a workaround for that. You can put a high quality phone case to cover the back cover. Now we are putting back the screws for the top plate of the A16 Bionic chip, and of course the main board is also holding on the connector for the display, so it's gonna be stay intact when we install it. We'll not close it up for now. We will plug it in, still using the lightning port. We'll see if it's going to show us something, and it's showing us a charging battery. And look at that. Look at how high quality our replacement display is. The bezels, the resolution looks exactly like the OEM display. So if you're in need of reliable iPhone 14 Pro Max screen replacement, battery replacement, go to Sydney CBD Repair Center. There's no better way to have your iPhone repaired. And David here has shown you the actual repair for an actual client smartphone. And if you're not from Sydney, you can also send in your broken device. Just message David beforehand and we will fix it here in the shop and send it back to you wherever you are in Australia and in the world. Seriously, we have clients from all over, and these are just some of the repairs that we are showing you here in our YouTube channel. And this is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's gonna be expensive if you are out of warranty, if you don't know the person fixing it. At least here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we have track record. You can see in our YouTube channel, we have other smartphone fix. Those are actual devices from real clients. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Like and subscribe. Consider fixing your old iPhone rather than buying the brand new iPhone 15. And hope you learned something. Like and subscribe. This is the before and after. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast? I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.